Welcome to Techtribe Zone, guys. Today we are diving deep into the Lava Agni 3 5G, a proudly Indian brand that's been making a waves in the mid-range smartphone market. Is it a perfect choice at 25,000? Let's break down its features, pros, cons, and areas where it needs improvement. By the end of this video, you will know whether this phone is worth your money or not. First, let's talk about what Lava has done right. The Agni 3 5G phone comes with a curved AMOLED display that's look premium and offer excellent brightness. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos delivering rich and immersive sound. A stock Android experience is no bloatware here, just clean, smooth UI. Useful features like app lock, anti-theft alarm, customizable action keys and edge lighting. And best of all, no heating issues during regular use, thanks to well-optimized processor. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's move on to what holds this phone back. Now here's where things get tricky. Lava need to step up in a few areas. Camera performance. The main camera often produces reddish tones, faded colors, and struggles with autofocus. 30x zoom crashes the app, and selfie quality is disappointing. About battery life, the battery drains quickly with heavy uses, lasting only 8 hours of continuous browsing. Charging with the provided 66-watt charger takes around 2 hours, which is slow for this range. UI bugs. Minor issues like blurred app icons and fingerprint recognition delays need fixing through updates. Some features are just okay, neither exceptional nor deal breakers. The signal strength is decent but can fluctuate at times. Performance is solid for multitasking and light gaming, but heavy gaming could cause slight warming. The mini rear display is a unique touch but lacks practical application beyond answering calls and taking selfies. Lava has the potential to elevate this phone with a few updates here. What users are asking for: better camera optimization for sharper, more natural photos, smoother UI with features like advanced always on display, gestures, and animation, improve network stability, AR VR support for modern use cases, more accessories like back covers and screen protector available online. To sum it up, the Lava Agni 3 5G is a decent effort by the Indian brand. It shines with its premium design, clean UI, and innovative features. However, the camera performance, battery life, and minor bugs hold it back from being the perfect smartphone in this price range. If Lava can address these issues with the updates and offer better accessories, this phone can compete with the bigger brands. For now, it's a great option for those who prioritize design and Indian made products. What do you think about the Lava Agni 3 5G? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tribe Zone for more data backed reviews. See you in the next video. Thank you, guys.